Hello, so let us look at few more problems in today's class. So the first problem is to find the equation of the directrix of the conic r sin square theta by 2 equal to 1. So as we have seen in the last class, r sin square theta by 2 equal to 1, that represents a parabola. So r sin square theta by 2 equal to 1, it can be put in the form. So this is r into 1 minus cos theta by 2 equal to 1. So therefore we get r equal to 2 by 1 minus cos theta, or we will get r by 2 equal to 1 by 1 minus cos theta, or we can write it as 2 by r equal to 1 minus cos theta. So this is in the form L by r equal to 1 minus c cos theta. So here is equal to 1. So comparing with this equation, so therefore L is equal to 2. So therefore this is a parabola with semilatus rectum 2. So therefore it is the equation of a parabola with semilatus rectum 2. Now if r theta is a point on the directrix, then the equation of the directrix will be given by L by r equal to minus e cos theta. So for any point r and theta on the directrix, so we know the latus rectum. So L value is equal to 2. So that is the semilatus rectum L. So therefore the equation of directrix is, so that will be equal to 2 by r equal to minus cos theta. So that will give us r cos theta plus 2 equal to 0. So that is the required equation of the directrix. Next problem is find the polar equation of the left branch of the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144. So the polar equation of left branch of hyperbola is given by, so that is L by r equal to 1 plus e cos theta. So from the given Cartesian equation, we need to find out the value of E and L. Eccentricity, semilatus rectum കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So E will be given by root of 1 plus b square by a square, and the semilatus rectum is b square by a. So first let us find out the value of E and L. Now from the equation of the hyperbola, so we have 9x square by 144 minus 16y square by 144 equal to 1. So that will give x square by 16 varum. So that is 4 square minus y square by 9, which is 3 square, that is equal to 1. So therefore here L will be equal to b square by a. So that will be equal to 9 by 4, and E will be root of 1 plus b square by a square. So that will be 9 by 16. So which will be equal to 5 by 4. So E will be equal to 5 by 4 and n is equal to 9 by 4. So therefore the equation is L by R equal to 1 plus E cos theta. So that will be equal to 9 by 4 by R equal to 1 plus 5 by 4 cos theta. So we'll get 9 by R equal to, so multiply by 4 on both sides, so we'll get 4 plus 5 cos theta. So that is the required equation of the method. Okay. Next problem is to find the equation of, so find the equation of the chord joining theta equal to alpha minus beta and theta equal to alpha plus beta on the conic L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta. So let us look at what is the equation of the chord. So we are given the conic L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta. So we need to find the equation of the chord joining theta equal to alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. Now the chord will be having the equation of a line. So let us take the general polar equation of a line. So let the equation of the chord be so let us take it equal to L by R equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. So these are the equations of the conic and then the equation of the chord. Now these two uh, that means the conic and your chord will intersect each other. So the common points are obtained by equating both the equations. So let us call this as equation 1 and let us call it as equation 2. So the common points of 1 and 2 are given by, so that will be 1 minus E cos theta equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. And now we need to find out the equation of the chord joining the points theta equal to alpha minus beta and theta equal to alpha plus beta. So let us substitute theta equal to alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta in this equation, so that will give us two equations. Now at the points theta equal to alpha minus beta and theta equal to alpha plus beta, so we will get 1 minus E cos alpha minus beta equal to A cos alpha minus beta plus B sin alpha minus beta varum. Now at alpha plus theta, so we will get 1 minus E cos alpha plus beta equal to A cos alpha plus beta plus B sin plus beta varum. Okay, now this can be rearranged as A plus E cos alpha minus beta uh, plus B sin alpha minus beta equal to 1 and A plus E cos alpha plus beta plus B sin alpha plus beta equal to 1. Now let us solve for the unknowns. So we need to find the value of A and B. So let us find the value using cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication we'll get a plus e by minus sine alpha minus beta plus sine alpha plus beta equal to b by cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta, that will be equal to cos alpha minus beta sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta into cos alpha plus beta varum. Now this can be simplified as a plus e by 2 cos alpha sine beta equal to b by, so this is in the form cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, so we'll get 2 sine alpha sine beta, and this is cos a sine b, sorry, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, so that will give sine a minus b, sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta, so that will give a plus e by 2 cos alpha sine beta equal to b by 2 sine alpha sine beta, that will be equal to 1 by, so this gives sine 2 beta, sine 2 beta is 2 sine beta cos beta, that will give a plus e equal to so we'll get cos alpha by cos beta, and b will be equal to, so 2 sine beta will cancel off, so we'll get sine alpha by cos beta. So from here a will be equal to so let us take the difference, so a will be equal to cos alpha by cos beta minus e, and b will be sine alpha by cos beta. So let us substitute a and b into the equation. So therefore the equation of chord is given by, so we'll get L by R equal to, so a will be replaced by cos alpha by cos beta minus e cos theta plus b sin theta ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ sin alpha by cos beta sin theta. So this can be again simplified to L by R equal to minus e cos theta, and this can be written as cos plus cos alpha cos theta, okay, cos beta is common, plus sin alpha sin theta. So that is L by R equal to minus e cos theta plus 1 by cos beta is sec beta, and this is in the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, so that will be equal to cos alpha minus theta. So this is the required equation of the chord joining the 2 points theta equal to alpha minus beta and theta equal to alpha plus beta. And from this equation again the equation of chord through the points, so here the points are in the form alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. Now if you want to find the chords to the point theta equal to gamma and theta equal to delta, so we can replace alpha plus beta by gamma. Okay, let me take alpha minus beta equal to gamma and alpha plus beta equal to delta, so that will give alpha equal to gamma plus delta by 2 and beta equal to delta minus gamma by 2. Substituting alpha and beta, so the equation takes this form, so we'll get L by R equal to minus e cos theta plus sec delta minus gamma by 2 cos theta minus delta plus gamma by 2. So that will be the equation of the chord when the points are of the form theta equal to gamma and theta equal to delta.